experiment is a composite volcano, also known as a stratovolcano. A composite volcano is a large, steep-sided volcano that result from explosive eruptions of lava and ash along convergent plate boundaries. When a composite volcano erupts, very thick lava pours out. The lava flowing typically cools and hardens before spreading far due to high viscosity. Inside it, gas bubbles trapped in the magma find it hard to escape through the viscous rock. Something interesting is that when lava and volcanic ash come out, it solidifies, making the volcano larger every time there is an eruption. Composite volcanoes are one of the most common volcano types. Some famous composite volcanoes are Mount Fuji in Japan and Mount Rainier in Washington State. There are about 1,500 active volcanoes worldwide, not including ocean volcanoes. So the materials I used were a cardboard box. I spray painted it black. I grabbed some sticks and some moss and dirt. So the dirt can be the ground, the moss and the sticks can look like trees. Then for the volcano, I painted it. I used paper mache, which I made it out of flour and water and newspaper. So for the inside of the volcano, I have the magma chamber where all the magma is held up. I have the rock layers of Earth's crust. As the magma rises, it's just magma, it's not in the chamber anymore. I have side vents that will sometimes also spew out lava. Other side vents haven't fully came out yet on the sides. This is the vent where the lava will shoot out. Like I talked about before, the ash and lava slowly would build up the volcano. So I moved my experiment outside because things were going to get a little messy. So my ingredients are soap, baking soda, red chili powder, and red vinegar. I'm using soap so it can give it that extra bubbly and texture, and it would easily slide down my volcano. Baking soda because you need it along with vinegar. Red chili powder so it can give it that more of a red texture, and some red food dye. And I'm also going to use some burnt wood to make it look like ash. So for part one, I am going to be mixing these ingredients. Those two right there, I'm going to be saving for later. So we're first going to add the red chili powder, like that. Then we're going to add baking soda. Then we're going to add some dish soap. And then we're going to add a few drops of red food coloring. And then we are going to mix it all together, just like so. Right, so now we are going to take the powder, we're going to dump it in the top of the volcano, just like that. Now we are going to add some of the ash into it. Mix that up maybe a little bit. Alright. Now for the final part, adding the red vinegar. Gotta move all my stuff first. Alright. There you go. You can see some of the ash sticking out. Some of the looks red and stuff. Like I said, the soap helps with it, so it is able to run down smoothly. It would also consume a lot of the plants. Now, as you can see, the lava would start to harden, as it typically would to make the volcano bigger. So if we were to add more, it would start to foam again, and it would harden the on the volcano, so the volcano would look like it would be bigger. because if all this froze right now, the volcano would look slightly bigger on some parts. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed my presentation of how a composite volcano would erupt, and that's it.